Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest products on the market? Well, you are in the right place here. We present the latest and the best life-saving things. The IKAROS line thrower is used for casting a pilot line for cables and ropes in rescue operations at sea. It can be used between ships, from shore to ship or ship to shore, and for rescuing personnel. The IKAROS line thrower is a robust device consisting of a waterproof plastic container with integral handle and trigger mechanism, a solid fuel rocket and 300 meters of line. To activate it, the user must remove a safety pin, hold the device steady and pull the trigger. The IKAROS line thrower is approved globally and meets the latest SOLAS 7496 regulations. Throws line 300 meters, easy to use, robust and waterproof integral handle. Slide to Safety (STS) is a patented rapid evacuation system, developed as an alternative method of evacuation, from high-rise buildings. This revolutionary allows for a safe evacuation outlet at the time of any incident such as fires, natural disasters, gas leaks, or in active shooter situations. Slide to Safety is a non-electrical system which works by compressed air. This system inflates within 6 seconds and develop a slide for smooth evacuation of the persons trapped at the time of such incidents. The 2010 Haiti earthquake was a catastrophic event that devastated the small Caribbean island and its surrounds. Official estimates suggest that up to 200,000 people died in the destruction. After seeing photographs of the aftermath, Brudder resolved to build a product to help save lives of people trapped in structurally unsound buildings during earthquakes. Brudder, alongside his former lecturer Ido Bruno, devised a cheap reinforced table that would be light enough for 2 school children to be able to lift, yet still strong enough to withstand up to 1 ton of pressure from above. Brudder says that the geometries of the earthquake-proof table are designed to spread weight evenly across the table's surface, ensuring that the structure holds its shape, even when subjected to significant downforce. The earthquake-proof table transforms energy and absorbs it, says Brudder. When something falls on the table, it absorbs the object's energy, and debris is forced to the side. In the event of a building's collapse, the tables are also designed to form passageways through the debris to help assist in rescue efforts. The Reco reflector makes you searchable to the rescuers. Reco reflectors are lightweight passive transponders that require no power or activation to function. They consist of a diode and an antenna. Reco reflectors are integrated into products from more than 150 brands, including jackets, pants, helmets, backpacks, back protectors, boots, transceivers, and harnesses. Reflectors are also available as single products to be attached to helmets and backpacks, or within our own Reco belts. Reco reflectors are designed to last a lifetime and do not age or wear out. If not mechanically damaged, they will last forever. How it works. 1. The Reco detector emits a directional radar signal, like the beam of a flashlight. 2. When the radar signal hits the Reco reflector, it is echoed back to the detector and points the rescuer in the direction of the victim. 3. The closer the detector gets to the reflector, the stronger the return signal, ultimately allowing the rescuer to pinpoint the victim's location. SBX actively supplies fresh air to the breathing area when buried in an avalanche or tree well, without requiring a mouthpiece. Safeback SBX is designed to keep the air quality in the breathing area as normal as possible, until the victim is rescued, by continually supplying fresh air to the breathing area through the porous crystal structures within the snowpack. This extends the potential survival window for a buried victim by delaying suffocation for at least 90 minutes. Step 1. In case of an avalanche, activate the system by pulling the T-shaped handle on the shoulder strap. Step 2. During burial, SBX uses the air in the snowpack as the victim's fresh air supply, continuously pumping up to the breathing area for the duration of burial. SBX pumps air through the intake window on the backpack, up to the outlets on the shoulder straps. Step 3. The airflow created in the snow delivers fresh oxygen to breathe in and pushes away the CO2 that has been exhaled. SBX runs for 90 minutes at -30 degrees centigrade, giving the victim breathing room to be rescued alive. Launched in 1964, the Mark III lightweight portable pump has been the pump of choice for most wildland fire agencies around the world for decades. Backed by its proven record, the Mark III pump today is known for high performance, reliability, and durability. Its consistent high-pressure output, ability to pump in tandem or series, and toughness to withstand the rigors of firefighting have made the Mark III the core of most remote water delivery systems in wildland fire suppression. Following a series of improvements in 2015, today the Mark III gives new meaning to durability and reliability. The upgraded version requalified under QPL number 51100-274, after passing the USDA Forest Service 100-hour endurance test in San Dimas on 8/4/15. This unit is available with configurations that include fuel tank quick connect adapter suction protector applications, direct attack wildfire operations, relay tank pumping for remote watering during firefighting operations, high elevation firefighting in mountainous areas, in series pumping over long distances, parallel pumping for higher volumes, features and benefits, quick release clamp, and detachable pump end for minimal equipment downtime, unique blister resistant mechanical rotary seal to prolong pump end longevity, sealed bearing to eliminate pump end greasing in the field, aluminum alloy pump components, and anodized parts for lighter weight and greater resistance to